Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel techsmartbest. Now I am reviewing the Huawei Nova 7i, so this video will be very interesting. And please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Huawei Nova 7i. The Huawei Nova 7i dimension 159.2 by 76.3 by 8.7 mm. The Huawei Nova 7i build glass front, plastic back, plastic frame. The Huawei Nova 7i SIM hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM dual standby. The Huawei Nova 7i display types LPS, IPS, LCD capacitive touchscreen 16mm color. Size 6.4 inch, resolution 1080 by 2310 pixels. The Huawei Nova 7i operating system Android 10.0 EMUI 10. Chipset high silicon Kirin 8107nm. CPU octa-core 2x2.7 GHz Cortex A76 and 6x1088 GHz Cortex 155. GPU Mali G52 MPP6. The Huawei Nova 7i card slot. Nano Memory up to 256 GB uses shared SIM slot. The Huawei Nova 7i internal memory 128 GB and 8 GB of RAM. UFS 2.1. The Huawei Nova 7i main camera code 48MP, 8MP, 2MP and 2MP. Feature LED flash HDR panorama. The Huawei Nova 7i single camera 16MP HDR. The Huawei Nova 7i of sound, loudspeaker and 2.5mm jack. The Huawei Nova 7i Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Huawei Nova 7i Bluetooth 5.0 A2DP LE. The Huawei Nova 7i GPS with the AGPS GLONASS Glio BDS QZSS. The Huawei Nova 7i USB 2.0 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. USB on the go. The Huawei Nova 7i sensor, fingerprint, side-mounted accelerometer, proximity compass. The Huawei Nova 7i of battery, non-removable LiPo14022 mAh battery, fast charging 40W. Color midnight black, crash green, sakura pink. Model JNYL22 JNYL22B.